Hi, everybody. Today we're going to be learning how to send a blast email to our students from our Infinite Campus. We will start by going to Infinite Campus, signing in. Once you have signed in, you come over to the left tabs, go to Message Center. Some of you might have it in the three lines where it says menu. Here, for me, it just pops up Message Center. I'm going to click Next on the top left tab. And then once my first step comes in, or class message step 1 comes in, there is no need to change any of the first 3 tabs. Message type is class message. User, we leave it as user. And it's a template. For me, it's a new template, so I leave it as new. Here is where once you save it, you can click on it and find other messages you've done in the past. The wonderful thing here is you can do 4 things at once, pretty much. You do the inbox, email, voicemail, and text message. So you have all 4 options in one go, pretty much. Here, it allows you to select what date you'd like to send it. For me, I'm just going to leave it as today since I am just practicing to show you guys. I get to select the date, the time as well. So I'm going to select 10 a.m., just so that all my messages are sent at the same time. That's what time I want to send them. Then where it says reply to email, here, if you don't want anyone to answer you, don't change it. You keep it as no replies. However, I want my students to be able to answer me, so I'm going to put my email address, marta.reyes@sweetwaterschools.org. The next one says caller ID. Here we have our office phone number, but as we know, our office is closed, so I'm going to change it so it can be forwarded to my voicemail number. We all have a voicemail number. All we need to do is request our administrative secretary at our sites to give us that number. I was able to ask IT to please forward the voicemail number to my cell phone. So now the calls will come to my cell phone, and my students do not have my personal number. They only have my voicemail number. In this part where it says message details, I can write a subject. For the purpose of now, I'm going to write demo. We have the capability of recording a message, which I'll come back to that later just because it has, well, I'll do it. And once you do that, you get 3 phone numbers that you can call, and it will ask you for a PIN number. The PIN number is a different PIN number each time you're going to generate a message. So once you record it, you have to call those numbers recorded, you save it, and then you download it as a WAV file. So you can attach it and put it here, and it'll call your students. This is the section for the message body. So I'm going to write demo, then continue. That's for the email. This is for our text message, demo again. And here is where you're going to save it in order for you to remember, oh, this is my demo one. I want to use it again. Or I don't want to use it since I had already called it demo. We'll do demo 12, or demo 2. Save it and press next. Here it's wonderful because it gives your recipients, you can choose all your students get the same message, or you can specify it per class. I like it per class. I'm going to make a second video to follow up as to what is next from here. And then we can continue our session of how to send a blast email.